Welcome to today's courtroom session, a full docket of real cases, real stakes, and moments that reveal how justice actually unfolds. Watch closely as attorneys negotiate, judges set dates, and defendants face hard truths. Each case tells its own story, from simple adjournments to life-changing rulings. Stay till the end. It only gets more intense.
Okay. And is your client here?
We're bringing him in about 1 minute. We are, Miss Amanda was playing volleyball. Put your name on a record, to the judge.
Byron Taylor.
Thank you. All right. What are we doing on this case today? You're asking for an adjournment?
Yes.
What date were we setting for his?
We literally just got involved in this case, Your Honor. Just tell us that.
Will the 20th work for you?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. I don't know why I was talking to Vincent. I don't know why he just didn't turn the computer.
And you know what?
Conference.
I exactly told her that.
Yeah, I'm sitting there staring at you. I said, that guy doesn't know anything.
He's going to ignore me, so say something.
November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Mohammed Abdullah.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett on behalf of Mr. Abdullah. Can you identify yourself, Mohammed?
Yes, Mohammed Abdullah.
Okay, you got it.
Your Honor, there should be a green sheet. We're asking
Yes.
for about 3 weeks for continued negotiations.
Probable cause conference without objection, November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Amaral Gold.
Dan Garrett on behalf of Ms. Gold, stepping forward.
Oh, there she is. Your name?
Armorel.
All right. You're looking at sobriety court screening. Is it 14A sobriety court or?
It is, Your Honor. She had her screening done. We have not heard back from the probation agent, so I'm sort of going to follow up on that.
All right. Since he's done the process, why don't I just do the 20th?
That'd be great.
Thanks. November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
So far, we've seen multiple cases pushed to November 20th. It might look routine, but every adjournment is a quiet strategy move, buying time, negotiating leverage, or gathering missing evidence. What would you do if your future depended on just a few more weeks? That's the weight behind each calm Bond continued.
Consider that offer if possible.
Of course you would. November, without objection, November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Tyler Van Eflin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Dan Garrett on behalf of Tyler Van Effen.
Tyler Van Effen.
All right. Your Honor, I'm asking for an exam date on this matter. If at all possible to avoid the 18th.
Yeah, we're not there yet.
Okay.
So, I have, it's an odd thing because of Veterans Day, but discovery is complete.
It is, Your Honor.
All right. And then I have I can do the 10th. Can you do that day? November 10th?
What else do you have?
Okay, when I said that, I wasn't offering anything else. You know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I also had the 13th.
13th would be great, Your Honor.
Just because I said the 10th. Will the people have their witnesses available the 13th?
We'll try.
Preliminary examination in person will be November 13th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Barr. Bond will continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Brett Ward.
Kenneth Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney for the People.
Dan Garrett on behalf of Brett Ward.
Your name?
Brett Ward.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I've not had a chance to talk to the people about this matter. Hoping we can reach a resolution if we can have an adjourned PCC date.
Probable cause conference, November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Is that it? Other than LaFloria? She's not responding. Did we send anything? Okay. All right. I'll call her up as soon as she pops in.
Okay, and my office is calling her too, Your Honor.
Okay. Court does call the case Buford versus Jaron Jacobs.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sam Burns on behalf of Mr. Jacobs.
All right. Your name?
Jaron Jacobs.
All right. I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading guilty to an added count 2 of possession of firearms under the influence. The 93-day misdemeanor. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. There is an agreement between the prosecutor and defendant of HIDA with no upfront jail. That is the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Accurate, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. You solemnly affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name.
Jaron Jacobs.
All right, sir, it is his court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of possession of a firearm under the influence. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs, and mandatory forfeiture of the weapon or device.
Here's where things shift. Defendant Jaron Jacobs pleads guilty to firearm possession under the influence. This is more than a minor charge. The judge ensures every word is voluntary, no coercion, no confusion. This process, called a plea colloquy, protects the accused rights while binding the admission forever. Would you stand as calm in that moment?
Not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
I understand.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
On the date of September 27th, 2025, at the location of West 8 Mile Road near Rushton Road in Northfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, did you have a firearm in your possession?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And had you prior to or during the course of your having that firearm consumed alcoholic liquor?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Would you agree that you consumed it to the point that your ability to safely operate and or discharge that firearm would have been impaired?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you that if you, between the time of the plea and the time of your sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation, and you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A3. Probation sentencing in this matter will be November 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue. Thank you. Court calls the case People versus Richard Jefferson.
People.
Sam Burns on behalf of Mr. Jefferson, Your Honor.
Listen to the tone when the defendant admits, "Yes, sir, I drank." There's no drama, just a quiet acceptance. The judge's steady pace carries authority, yet empathy. In that stillness, you can almost feel the courtroom's weight shift. One sentence decides months of freedom. It's a powerful reminder that justice isn't loud, it's deliberate.
He would like to set up for a hearing, Your Honor. He denies drinking, he denies tampering with it.
Pardon?
He denies drinking and he denies tampering with the device, Your Honor.
Says he drank only one non-alcoholic beer. All discovery is complete.
It is, Your Honor.
People had their witnesses available the 13th. Preliminary examination will be set November 13th, 2025, 2 p.m. That is before me. In person. This point, pending, and I'll also set a bond violation hearing for that same time at the 2 p.m.
Now, the case of Richard Jefferson brings a twist, a bond violation. The court raises his bond to $50,000 cash. That's not punishment, it's control. It ensures accountability while the truth unfolds. But here's the real question. Do you think higher bonds actually protect justice, or just penalize the poor? Drop your thoughts below.
Does call the case People versus Philip Carrick.
And then on behalf of the people.
Dan Bernstein for Mr. Carrick, Your Honor. Mr. Carrick, could you please state your name?
Philip Carrick.
And we are ready to move forward with exam, Your Honor. Discovery is complete.
Sure. Matter record should reflect we've had a bench conference. Discovery is complete.
It is, Your Honor.
And the people would have their witnesses available, you believe, on the 25th.
Yes, sir.
So I will set preliminary examination in person, November 25th, 2025 at 25th, 12 noon before me. Bond will continue. Court calls the case of People versus Sean Lambert.
Dick Kennedy for the people, Your Honor.
Sam Bernstein for Mr. Lambert.
Multiple defendants today, Lambert, Ross, Washington, all requesting adjournments, all pushing their fates into next month. To the untrained eye, it's repetitive, but to a lawyer, it's chess. Every move buys time, shapes narrative, builds leverage. The courtroom isn't chaos, it's choreography, and every yes, Your Honor, is part of a larger strategy.
Yes, Your Honor.
People also waive the right.
Yes, Your Honor, and if I may, I would like to place the agreement that we have.
Go ahead.
Agreement in this case, the defendant went upon first pretrial circuit court with lead count 1, filtering costs of criminal purposes, sentencing agreement, no upfront jail, and 5 years probation. Count 2 would be dismissed at the time.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on counts 1 and 2. You waive formal reading, stand mute. Mr. Bernstein.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
December 22nd at 1:30 with motions.
December 22nd, 2005, 1:30, Judge Hamud. Bond will continue. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Darnell Rawls.
Sam Bernstein for Mr. Rawls, Your Honor.
Darrell Giovanni Rose Jr.
All right. And you're requesting an adjournment to track with the other case?
Yes, please.
Gotcha. So probable cause conference will be adjourned November 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case of the People versus Morris, Washington.
Sam Bernstein with on behalf of Mr. Washington.
Your name, sir? Morris Washington. All right.
Please set for exam, Your Honor.
Oh. Discovery is complete.
Yes, sir.
People have their witnesses available on the 13th. Preliminary examination in person, November 13th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Barr. Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Jasmine Skim.
Oh, boy.
I'm struggling.
Sandberg
Sorry.
sign from Ms. Kim.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay,
Thank
Jasmine
you.
Skim.
All right, what are we doing?
We're ready to set this one for exam as well, Your Honor. Discovery is complete.
People have their witnesses available on the 10th.
You can try for that date, Your Honor.
Could I ask for another date, please, Your Honor? I have like a 3-hour Jeff Bloom hearing that morning. So
A what?
like a 3-hour Jeff Bloom hearing that morning. I'm gonna be unavailable. So
I don't care.
not here, downtown, but they'll tie me up.
And even I care even less. All right, fine. Did you have your witnesses available the 13th?
We can try that date, Your Honor. Thank you.
Well, guess we'll have to.
Yeah, I think so.
Preliminary examination in person, November 13th, 2025. That's at 10 a.m. before Judge Barr. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
Have a
Honor.
good day. Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Derek Smith.
People.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Smith, who should be on Zoom.
Derek Smith.
Mr. Smith, you gotta unmute. There should be a
Okay, this is
microphone.
Okay, state your name again, sir.
Eric Smith.
All right.
We are requesting adjournment for investigation. I forgot the word for adjournment.
Would the 20th be enough time for you?
I think, yes, we can at least start there.
Well, why don't I do this then? Probable cause conference, I will adjourn to November 25th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch, Mr. Smith.
Court calls case People versus Jeffrey Thompson.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Ridgefield on behalf of Jeffrey Thompson, who is not present. Your Honor, I am asking to adjourn this. I have a letter from University of Michigan. A social worker there confirmed that he is in the hospital. I have a letter from last time as well when he was additionally in the hospital. I apologize to the court. I'm sure that he.
Why, did you put him in the hospital?
No, I
Then
just-
don't apologize.
Okay.
He's in the hospital. You want an adjournment. Do we know about when he might be out?
I don't know.
All right, I trust you, Mr. Rios.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't say that very much. Him, not so much. You, yes.
That's why I have the letter.
Yeah, that's right. I let her have the case because probable cause conference without objection. I'll adjourn it out to November 13th. Let's see where we are at that point. 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case People versus Matthew Burville.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple, here on behalf of this portion now. You state your name for the record.
Matthew Burville.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment. The court did sign a protective order
yesterday regarding some
Yes.
discrepancy.
Will the 20th be enough time?
That should be.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned November 20th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Court does call the case of people versus Tanthony Walker Ross.
An assistant public defender for Nicholas Bukovich and Mr. Walker Ross, who should be appearing via Zoom.
Here he is.
As this session closes, we've witnessed the rhythm of real justice, quiet but relentless. From guilty pleas to postponed hearings, every case carried weight and consequence. These aren't just names, they're stories of choices, rights, and responsibility. If today's courtroom gave you a new view of justice, hit like, share, and subscribe for more real-life legal breakdowns.